Welcome back to the road. Today we're heading into Basel, Switzerland to have a look at some of its museums and attractions. We're starting our visit here in Marktplatz, or Market Square. If you come at the right time, you can get some fresh vegetables right from the farmers, or enjoy a nice Christmas market. The farmers' market takes place every day of the week, so whatever day you come, you will probably be able to experience it. The market's essential to many gauchos and restaurateurs in the city who come here to get supplies. It's also a great place to hop on one of those trains to go see other parts of the city. Speaking of other parts of the city, let's go have a look at the famous river walk. How long do you suppose this water wheel has been here spanning in the water? I can't help but feel I have been transported into someone's postcard here. The weather is so nice here. Here we are at the famous river walk. The Rhine River has been an important waterway through every iteration of the city, be it prehistoric, Roman, medieval, or modern. Today it offers a lovely place to walk and enjoy the city's beauty. Wow, that was quite a walk. Basel is an important center for banking and home to the Bank of International Settlements. I love the old ferries going back and forth across the river. Here we are in Marktplatz, or Minster Square. The square is named for Basel Minster, the large church that stands here. The church was originally a Catholic cathedral and has seen several additions and reconstructions. The inside seems even more dramatic to me. I guess when you are building for God, the building has to be built to show that. What an amazing place! The crypt beneath the church was closed for a long time, but they reopened it in 1975. Let's go have a look. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but I can't help feeling like I have been transported into a video game, like Diablo or something. The arch was heavily used in Roman architecture, but was taken to a new level during the medieval period. Those pointed arches are what make the incredible vaulted ceilings possible. Just up the road from Basel Minster is the Museum of Natural History. If you are interested in the creatures that inhabit our world, you will want to make a stop here. I find those mammoths so interesting. I have heard there are efforts underway to bring them back somehow. Hopefully it wouldn't turn out like it did in Jurassic Park. Now we're going to see some crazy machines at the Tingley Museum. But first, some of our party needs a break for fun. museum houses works by Jean Tingley, who is famous for his kinetic art. The various machines were meant to centralize automation and technology. We are at the Tingley Museum. Let's go take a look. Before we see the crazy machines, we're transported into the mind of a surrealist. Look at these crazy machines. There's something so strange about machines with no practical purpose. Our last stop will be the Queen's Museum to have a look at some more traditional art. The Queen's Museum houses the oldest public art collection in the world. I love that they have this section for printed items. This looks like something I once saw at a rodeo in Oklahoma. Switzerland is one of those places where reality actually does match the images in postcards and often surpasses them. Basel does not disappoint. This beautiful Swiss city has so much to offer any visitor, no matter what time of year you come to visit. I hope you enjoyed this visit to Basel, Switzerland. Thank you for watching. See you next time.